I've always been a massive fan of watches, whatever kind they are. It's never been about what they cost, it's always been about how they look. And so when Blancpain reached out to me, I'm just kidding, no one ever sponsors this channel. When I saw this in the shop in Denmark, I thought I have to have one of these. And in stock, they also had this, the Omega Swatch, or the Moon Watch, or Moon Swatch, or whatever they call it. Absolutely love these things because they are so colorful. So the one I want to open up here is the Pacific Ocean, which is the Bioceramic collection. You get this in a lovely, lovely box. I mean, it's a lot like the Luminox, or Luminor, whatever they're called, Luminox boxes. That's another great brand that makes some really nice military looking watches. And this thing, I went for the super loud yellow and blue one. They have a variety of different watch faces, and all of them have got a clear back, so you can see through the strap. If you pull that away, you can see the automatic movement. I'll try and hold that up to camera so you can see it. The straps are funky. They look really, really chunky. And this, oh, I should take that peel off, shouldn't I? Not a very satisfying peel, but that feels really good. Now, a load of people have complained about, oh, what's next? You know, are they going to make an Audemars Piguet, for example, with Swatch? Who cares? And at the end of the day, if you're getting these into the hands of thousands of people, you're getting more watch lovers out there. Oddly enough, Rolex weren't that bothered when Apple watches came along, because what it meant was people who had stopped wearing watches were now wearing watches again. And I think if you can put something beautiful like this on people's wrists, maybe one day when it's a 30th, 40th birthday, they buy a Blancpain. But I'm completely for this. I think this is lovely. And the 50 fathoms stands for 91 meters. It's an old-fashioned measurement that people don't use anymore, fathoms, but 50 fathoms, 91 meters. Although this is in fact tested to 100 meters, they said 91 on it because that's 50 fathoms. I absolutely love this thing, and I will be wearing this with pride. The other watch that I really like is the Omega Swatch. They call it the Moon Swatch or something like that. And this unboxing is not quite as premium as Blancpain, but then again, this is a quartz or battery movement, so it's not meant to be as good as the Blancpain. And as a brand, I guess Omega are just a notch below Blancpain. But it is lovely in terms of the unboxing experience as well. So that opens out properly like this. Look at that. That is a lovely, lovely piece of kit. It's a little small for my wrist, so I'll probably end up giving this away. I'm not really a massive fan of small watches. I tend to wear them bigger because I've got thin wrists. Oddly enough, I need them to be sitting quite high so that the shoulder curves over the wrist quite well. This one I can tell you already won't, but it is a lovely piece. In fact, I might even just keep it as a collector's item and never wear it. You know, just keep it exactly as it is. Omega are an unbelievably good brand, by the way, and I think this is fun. I think this is a really good idea for them to have created a watch like this to go with the sort of Swatch attitude, which is just chilled out, relaxed, fun, and that sort of thing, and a sort of surfer watch. But at the same time, you can clearly tell some serious work has gone into this. It is the chronograph version of their watches, and the straps are really cool. But once you open this strap and you break it, it no longer is a, what do you call it? It's no longer a new watch. It has now become a used watch. So I'll think carefully about whether I want to open this or whether I want to give it a gift to somebody. Oh, look at that. So when you pull, you've got that sort of lift experience, like a pop-up box. But yes, very pretty. And I think I need to put that back in properly and then see whether or not I'm going to give this to somebody as a gift rather than keep it for myself. Not sure. Very much a fan of this new collection by Swatch, and I think all it will do is it will get more people wearing wristwatches again. And as a result, I mean, it is the only one piece of jewelry that most men wear. Why not make it something fun?